Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope we are live and you guys can hear me and see me very clearly. Just give me a quick confirmation if you guys can see me very clearly. Hi, Hare Krishna. Yes, Simran, we are going to cover almost the all of the CSS that is required for the basics, right? So you'll be able to create a proper portfolio website as well, right? Thank you, Utpal. Thank you, Ajinka. Right, so let's start off real quick. Right, so I welcome everyone who is watching here and a very happy Diwali from the whole Let's Upgrade team to you and your family. Right, so without wasting time, let's start off with HTML and CSS batch. Right, so basically there are a few changes that we have made throughout this batch. Right, so first of all, we are going to introduce the whole new platform for your learning experience that is called Lisa, which I'll be talking about in a while. And yeah, pretty much a lot of things stay the same, but yes, for all the people who have not registered for the program yet, so I'm going to explain the whole process again for everyone. And yes, how does this new platform work? So what all AI tools that we are going to implement, and how learning will be super easy with Lisa for you guys. That is all, like, I'm going to explain. Don't worry, I'm going to explain all about attendance and how the certification and everything works. So let's start off. Okay, so first of all, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go and subscribe real quick, and please hit that like button so it gives us motivation to create more and more such videos, right? Okay, so first of all, everyone who has not registered, the very first step that we do is go to the website letsupgrade.in, head over to the program section, and if you have not signed in, or basically just go and sign in, and if you're a first time user, you have to go and create your account, right? So I'll be doing that with you. So first of all, once you're registered, the second thing is to go and apply for the program, right? So till here, all the process stays the same as before. Right now the changes come, right? You have to just head over to the my program section, select your program. As you can see, we are into HTML and CSS 5 days 0 to program, right? Now let me explain this whole portal to you. This is called the one link, and your program code would be on the top of here, right? As always, this is the program progress bar, which will show you how much progress you have done. That is currently at 0, right? As and when you mark the attendance in the program, like, you will be seeing this mark attendance button. This also stays the same. You have to go and mark your attendance. After you've seen the lecture, you can join our WhatsApp community, you can join our Telegram communities, right? And this is the whole schedule basically, right? Now the change, right? How to watch the lectures, right? You have to just go and click on watch on Lisa, right? So this is today's session. So basically this is a intro session, right? So this is basically, I'm going to explain you Lisa. The actual lectures are going to start from 6:30. That is a regular time. If you can see, right? Just after 6 p.m. session, at 6:30 there is going to be one more session that is going to be on YouTube, right? So you can, of course, please watch it on Lisa to experience the new age of learning, right? So we are going to go into Lisa from here. Now, the link for this whole session is like https://letsupgrade, sorry, https://letsupgrade.lisaapp.in. And yes, I'll also share the document with you. Let me just open it real quick. Let me see if I have my studio open. Okay, so this is the document, right? Also, okay, it is in the message. I am just going to unpin it for a while and just edit it a bit. Guys, mods, please change the program name. It's all-in-one documentation for HTML CSS and not DSA and C++. I'll just do that for you, right? And yes, I am going to pin that. Yes, so please keep that document pinned with you at all times during the session, because that has everything when we have updated that doc as well, right? So let's head over to that doc first. Okay, so this is the document link. This is the QR that leads to this doc. This is the enrollment and attendance link. Once you click on this link directly, right, it will land you here. If you have not registered, it will ask you to enroll. If you have registered, you're going to see this page, right? Now what next, right? If you see this, this is the link to register on Lisa. So quickly just head over to this link. I'm just going to give you guys this. So please use the same email ID that you've used on a platform, and that is the same that would work on Lisa as well. And this is how you should land here. Once you click on watch on Lisa, you should land on a dashboard like this, right? Everyone, please let me know if you can see the same dashboard. I'm going to give you the link to Lisa in this chat. Okay, I'm just watching the chat for now. Right, we have 150 students. Guys, come on, share the link with your friends so more and more students can join this. Yeah, you have to mark the attendance after the session. Shiv Kumar, the session is going to start from 6:30. There's another video that is going to run after this. Right, this session is just going to explain you how to mark your attendance, how to learn in the new system that we have built, which is Lisa. Right, so everyone, this is the link for Lisa. Just go and enroll, and basically you should have been enrolled automatically. Right, so now once you are at this point, right, so this is day 0, right? If you just open it, you should be able to see today's lecture here. Just going to let this play for a while. And yes, so if you see, right, I'm just going to, meanwhile I'm going to explain you this right section that is right here. This is where you can see the topics that are available for that particular day. That is what is web development, right? So now if you want to understand with the help of AI, so basically we have implemented ChatGPT into it, which we call as Lisa AI, right? So you can just click on this one-on-one teacher and it is going to give you a detail about what that particular topic is. And this definition is going to be different for everyone, right? And this is derived on your profile that you have built. So this context is taken based on your profile, and you can, of course, if, as you can see, right, this is a personalized explanation based on your profile. Similarly, you can see practice questions based on that particular topic right here, which are auto generated for you guys, right? And this is the chat section, basically where you guys can go and chat. No, this is the trailer. I'm just going to fix this. Just give me a second. There's some issue. Let me check. Meanwhile, just come in this chat, guys. Come in this chat. Let me see how many people are actually onboarded on Lisa. Just open up the day 0 and just send a hi or something. I'm just going to fix the Lisa issue in a bit. Just give me a minute. Okay, I guess there is some issue. That should not be the problem. I'm going to fix it. Right. Meanwhile, let me see all of you guys in that chat section. Please come there. Let me see what is the issue. Okay, if this was the problem. Okay, now let me just go and refresh. Okay, do not worry, this should be fixed. There's some backend issue. What is the issue, guys? See, if you're not able to log in, see, this is the doc, right? Just head over to doc and you should be able to see the whole login process. Go to getting started with Lisa and it will basically tell you everything. There's a YouTube video. So once you go and log in on Lisa, it is going to give an OTP, right? So please make sure that you have given proper mobile number. If I just basically go and log out from this, I'm going to show you how that works. Where is Lisa? Yes. So I'm just going to log out from this right now. Right, so this is Lisa, right? So I have to just go, this is where you will land. Okay, and you have to just log in. And if you do not have an account, it will basically ask you a sign up way. It will basically, you will get an OTP coming to email. Okay, just give me a second. Should not be the problem. Okay, just give me a second. I'm getting my tech team in the chat for you guys to get it solved. How many of you are able to come into Lisa? Please tell me. How many of you guys are basically in this page? How many of you guys are able to log in into Lisa, guys? Okay, guys, the OTP issue should be fixed, and all of those who are able to see, please come here. I'll just explain the platform so that you can actually guys start and learning. It should be solved in a minute. Do not worry. Right. So first of all, as we saw this AI thing that is linked to your topics thing that is your personalized teacher. It is going to give you definitions and problem statements and practice questions based on your personalized context. This profile comes from the Let's Upgrade platform. Chat for everyone to chat, right? Hi, I'm just going to put hi, hey, and you can basically come back to this chat and keep on texting your friends throughout the session, right? Then we have discussion. So anything that you want to ask, you can put in here. Hey, I have a doubt about HTML, and you can basically go and ask, and it will basically go to the trainer, right? It is here, and you can basically the others. I hope everyone can say this, please. Yes, it is free. This whole everything is free. Okay, please come here. If you can see, come to this discussion sections and try putting a question that you want to ask. Pastebin will have the links that are required. So currently we have the one doc link and the enrollment and attendance link already for you guys. Drive, if any files are uploaded by the trainer, you can basically come here and see that files. Currently there are no quizzes, but as and when we have quiz, you are going to basically see the quizzes here, right? So this is the user platform basically, right? And yes, pretty much that is the platform. And yes, all the sessions, right? How to mark the attendance? You have to go back to this page and you can mark attendance from here. Your lectures are going to held on Lisa. So again at 6:30 you're going to come here into this schedule, right? If you can see, right, 6:30 p.m. So right in about 12 minutes you guys have to join here, and you will be able to see the lecture happening right here. So this you can see, right, it is scheduled for 6:30. So it will start running at 6:30, and you can basically use this chat and everything, and you can see, right, the same chat is being continued. So basically you have one single chat running for the next 5 days for you to learn together, and you can of course anytime come back to this program in this Lisa and you can start learning. Secondly, we have a focus mode. If you want to get rid of all the disturbance and distractions, you can basically enable that and basically watch the whole session. So pretty much it. Please let me know anyone who is not able to come into Lisa and start learning. Guys, if you're not able to log in, right, just try a few things. Remove cookies from LetsUpgrade.in and try to log in again. And still, if you're not able to do that, please let me know in the chat. I'm right here to see your queries. Yes, my team is also in the chat for we have a few students who are in the session. Guys, everyone who is in the chat, please can you just say hi, hello? So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 students. Just others out of 189, please come here. OTP on what platform, guys? Can you mention? Are you trying to log in on LetsUpgrade.in? You're facing OTP issues on this platform or on Lisa? Are you facing Let's Upgrade OTP issue on LetsUpgrade.in or Lisa? Okay, this is the URL for you guys. See, the email and password will be same as Let's Upgrade. Okay, the email and password is going to be same as Let's Upgrade. Please use the same password as Let's Upgrade. And if still you are not able to do that, okay, on Let's Upgrade OTP is not coming. Just give me a sec. Hello, hello Anup. Guys, everyone who is able to, okay, just a minute. Jishnu, please come and refresh. Come in this. Just you have to basically come inside this thing and you should be able to see. Yeah, please come in this part. Go in. You are into global chat. Please come in the HTML CSS chat. Okay, so we have a few more people. Come on, guys. Okay, so I'll repeat. This is the new platform that we've introduced for you guys. You have to basically come to this one link, and if you scroll down, you will see Watch on Lisa. You have to head over to Watch on Lisa, attend the session right here, right? The whole schedule will be available right here, right, for the next 6 days. So the session is going to start from 6:30, right? And you have to come back to this one link and mark your attendance from this button that is available here. And once you have marked attendance, the certificate option will be available here to just show you. Just going to head over into some another program like this Postman program, right? So you can see, right, once the progress is more than 50%, right, if you see, right, if the progress is more than 50%, right, you can basically mark attendance. Okay, so, and yes, you can basically download the certificates after that, right? The certificate option will be available right here. User not found. Okay, this is tricky. Let me just check. Just give me a second. I'm just going to. Just a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. How many of you guys, for how many of the guys is that issue solved? For how many of you guys is the issue solved? And yes, so meanwhile, okay, if you guys are joining meanwhile, I'll just go back and explain this one link again. So yeah, after this process complete, you can basically have the whole step-by-step process in this particular part where you can see signing up, enrollment, marking attendance, submitting assignments and everything. Then we have this last two sections, that is the notes. So basically whatever we are going to build and whatever files are going to be used, right, are right here. You can basically see all the notes available right here for learning. As a part, as you can basically keep that as side notes as when the trainer is teaching you guys. Okay, and then basically it has everything along with the code example, so you can basically try and test out everything from here directly in your code editor, right? So this is basically the notes part, and then I'm just going to head over back to the main page. And yes, apart from the questions that Lisa generates, we have a set of interview questions ready for you guys on every topic in this particular program, right? So you can just basically use all of this. Now coming back to Lisa, let me check how many people are now in the platform. Okay, so I see a few more people who are coming in the platform. There's some issue with the day 0 video. The day 1 should work fine. Yes, going to work fine. So in about 5 more minutes, we'll wait for five. Just wait for a few minutes. Let's wait for another 5 more minutes. Everyone, please come. Yes, so it's going to be Saurav's lecture, and which will start in about next 5 minutes. Meanwhile, if you guys can, okay, just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I'm fixing the issue for you. Please wait. Certificate option is available here. So you have to go back to the one link, right? And you have to head over to the my program section. Okay. And yes, as I mentioned, this is the URL which I have already given and which is also available in the notes, right? Right here. So let's upgrade.lisaapp.in, and I'm just going to spam the YouTube with that for a bit. So where do we have YouTube? Okay. We have 3 more minutes to go, and I'll show you how. And yes, after 3 more minutes, I'm going to end this video once that video goes live, right? So please wait. Meanwhile, okay. So this is the link. Once you've logged in, right, you have to use this link. First of all, you have to go through this platform only, right? So I guess that should solve a lot of issues for you guys. So what you have to do is go to letsupgrade.in, right? Please, and you have to go from here, and it will automatically log you in. Then you can keep this link as reference. Okay, so first of all, go to this platform, sign in, and get, just a minute. Let me see how many more students have joined right now. Okay, so a few more students have joined. That's great. Just going to stay in day 1 so that I can show you how that whole system works. Right, so we're just going to stay here for a bit. And where is the YouTube? Yes. Yes, we are going to do HTML and CSS. So we have to go to this platform, LetsUpgrade.in, enroll, and once you're on this page, you have to go to Lisa from here, and then you can basically bookmark this page, letsupgrade.lisaapp.in, and then you can basically come here every time you want. But first, for that, you have to basically use this page only. Okay, the lecture will start in next 1 minute. Let me just quickly check. Everyone please come into day one, right? And this is how you're basically going to follow for the next days. And again, if you see, right, okay, day one. If you can see, right, in day one, we have the chat and topics. Similarly, you can basically go and generate the topics and explanation for that particular topic easily on your own, and this is going to give you personalized information, right? And yes, the lecture has started here, so you can basically go and watch it here, right? So please go to this particular page and start watching the lecture. Everyone please come to day one. Everyone please join the day one. Whoever is into day 0, please come and join the day one. You have to go through Lisa. And whoever is having the OTP issue, that shall be solved in 24 hours. Okay, so that is how. Okay, so everyone please join here, and I'll see you guys in this part. Okay, so with that, I'm going to stop this session. We'll move to the day one session.